Olori Temitope Enitan-Ogunwusi.
Women, either you're white, either you're dark, either you're tall, or short, or slim, or fat, that in our diversities we find our strength. Let us put our hands together for ourselves. I must say that indeed, Côte d'Ivoire, you're most blessed to have such a beautiful woman, both inward and outward, as the first lady of this great country. I celebrate you. You are serving your people the right way. They see the light in you. Keep shining. Put your hands together for their excellency. Sister Honorable Linda. Thank you, Dr. Linda, for making this possible for me to be here. From the royal courts, from our foremothers to the bustling cities of the diaspora, we have carried out our communities with strength, led by grace, led with grace, and dared to dream with open eyes, and of course, our open hearts. And now, are we really ready? Now, we are ready not just to talk the talk, but we are ready to walk the talk. Let us network together. Why are you a woman? A woman of substance, a woman of grace, a woman of distinction, a woman of pride. Each time a woman stands up for herself without knowing it, without claiming it, she stands up for all women. But today, through ADWIN, we are all standing up for the women who came before us, the girls watching us, and the future waiting for us all. Let us dream louder. Let us lead with courage. Let us lift up our lips. Let us lift up our voices. Let us stand with pride, and let us ensure that no woman walks alone. Not in Africa, not in the diaspora, and not in silence. Together, we will not make only break ceilings, but we will build a new world. Together, we will not only rise, but we will all soar. May ADWIN echoes across all over the continent as a symbol of what is purpose when women unite together, invest in one another, and refuse to be invisible. And I pledge today, as a Royal Majesty, our Regal Majesty, all the way from Nigeria, Ile-Ife or State, I pledge my royal support and to ensure that explain never, ever will. Long live ADWIN, long live African women, and long live our unstoppable sisterhood. May all our stories forever inspire generations, even yet unborn. Thank you, and let us have a wonderful